the suspension work's now complete, brake work's now complete. Yeah. We're now going to take bumpers off, all ready for paint for tomorrow. You look like a terracotta warrior. That is you. That is literally him. Look. There he is.
Shut so much.
The main problem we've got with the vehicle, so all of this is going to have to be cut out and re-welded in. Hopefully I won't have to do it.
What is it you're sitting on there?
That's my new seat.
There's the carpet.
Hello.
There was a bit old Honda in it.